Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Contact Form 7 in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install the Contact Form 7 plugin. Once installed, make sure to activate it to unlock all its functionalities. You'll then find a new contact menu item in your admin sidebar, which is where we'll begin our configuration journey. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to build powerful forms in just a few moments. Next, let's dive into customizing your form fields. Contact Form 7 provides a user-friendly interface to edit existing fields or add new ones, such as text areas, email inputs, and even file uploads. Utilize the convenient tag generator to quickly insert different field types. Remember to mark crucial fields as required to ensure your visitors provide all necessary information before submission. This step allows you to tailor the form precisely to your specific data collection needs. Now, let's configure the mail settings, which dictate where your form submissions go. You'll specify the to and from email addresses, ensuring notifications reach the correct inbox. Take time to customize the subject line and message body, making them clear and informative for easy processing. You can also add additional headers for reply to or CC functionality, providing more control over your email communications. This ensures you never miss a submission and can respond efficiently. Finally, we'll customize user messages and integrate your form. Personalize the success, error, and validation messages to provide clear feedback to your visitors. Once your form is complete, simply copy the generated shortcode. You can then paste this shortcode into any WordPress page or post to display your contact form. Always remember to thoroughly test your form after integration to confirm everything is working perfectly. This ensures a smooth experience for your users and reliable data collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.